The Neewer Studio Photography Kit comes with 4 extendable light stands. To open the light stands, untwist the knob at the base, then gently push down. After retightening the knob, adjust the height by opening the latch at the top and extending the pull to the height desired. Return the latch to the closed position to lock the light stand's height in place. While all 4 are adjustable, please keep in mind that 2 of them can extend further than the others. Be sure to pick and choose the light stands according to your needs. The light holder is what attaches both the light bulb and the umbrella to the light stand. Please ensure the screw fastener located at the base of the light holder is unscrewed enough to allow attachment. Attach the light holder to the light stand by inserting the top of the light stand into the hole at the base of the light holder. Use the screw fastener to tighten the light holder securely onto the light stand. The angle of the light holder can be adjusted by the knob located on the side. Loosen, adjust, and then retighten the knob to achieve the angle desired. The umbrella attaches to the light holder by way of a small hole located in the middle of the holder. Simply insert the umbrella into the hole and tighten the small knob to hold it securely in place. Once the light holder is attached to the light stand and the umbrella is in place, the light bulb can be attached by screwing it into the light holder. Slide the runner of the umbrella up until it locks into place. The light can be turned on or off by flipping the switch located on the light holder. The softbox assembly involves 2 major parts, the light stand and the softbox itself. Attach the softbox to the light stand by inserting the light stand into the hole at the softbox base. Tighten the screw fastener to secure. Like the light holder, the angle of the softbox can be adjusted by the knob located on the side. Loosen, adjust, and then retighten the knob to achieve the angle desired. Lock the softbox in its open position by pressing the inner ring over the light socket until it clicks into place. Once the softbox is locked into place, screw the light bulb securely into the light socket. Place the softbox cover corners over the corners of the softbox. Attach the Velcro strips together to secure the softbox cover. The softbox can now be turned on or off by flipping the inline cord switch. The lighting equipment is now ready for use. Unscrew the wing nut off the top of the background stand support system. Then remove one of the washers for later use. Connect the pole by placing one piece over the end of another, then twisting to tighten. Run the pole through the opening at the top of the backdrop. Place the pole holding the screen on top of the background stand support system. Be sure to place the washer that was previously removed before screwing the wing nut back on. Extend the screen to the height needed by twisting the knob located on the outside of the pole, raising the pole, and then retightening the knob. Use the backdrop clamps to secure the screen to the background stand support system. The Neewer Studio Photography Kit should now be completely ready for use.